Hello, welcome to FinAware. Today I'll be going over CaseHub and what it means within the FinAware software. So here I'm going to log into my account. I click Login, I sign in, and it takes me to CaseHub by default. And if you click this drop down, you can see two different options within CaseHub. So Case Management under CaseHub is a way that you can see your current uploaded cases or your files that you've uploaded into either FinAware, which looks at financial statements, or Cryptoware, which looks at coin exchange statements, which are Excel or CSV files. So in CaseHub, when you've uploaded a file, a row indicates a case. You can see the status bar here, which indicates if it's done processing by the system or if it's still initializing and needs to be processed. That's what init means. It's still being processed. It still is starting. Other details you can see for a given case, you can click View Details. You can see a view of the original file that you've uploaded into FinAware, if the case is for FinAware. And you can also download this file to see what's in the file as well. And you'll see the case name that you've named it and any other descriptions that you've provided. So this is a helpful way to see what files are in your given case. So if you click a case and it has multiple files, you can see each and every file and you can download them if needed. And then you can also archive a case, which moves it into another location for easier convenience on having your active cases here and then your archive cases here. And then you can also move this back into your active cases. So other details, you can delete a case. If you click Remove, this will delete a case. So the system will no longer have access to these records, and you will not be able to see the case within FinAware or Cryptoware. So it will not show up within this area of a case that you can select if you delete the case. So that's case management. It shows you the date the case was uploaded. It shows you the status, if it's been processed or not, and it provides an overview of what files you've put into that case. Then we have a separate tab called Subpoena under CaseHub, as you see here. It serves very similar functionality as the case management, and essentially the functionality it allows is to add a tracking number or a date process number and other such details. If it's relevant to your case, you would type it in here and then you'd hit save and you would submit it. And then those details would be updated on your case. That's about the only difference between Subpoena and case management system. That's it for CaseHub. It's a place to see each and every individual case that you've uploaded into the system, whether that's FinAware or Cryptoware. Here, when I say a case, it's really a collection of documents. In FinAware, it's PDFs. It could be one PDF, it could be many PDFs. You upload them through the module. So in this case, for FinAware, you click Quick Action Upload, and then that creates a case. Then you'll see whatever you named it here. And then in Cryptoware, you click Upload Excel file, you select your Excel, you name it, you hit Submit, and then that will show up as well as a row. That's about it for case management.